Hi everyone, today we'll be making some noodles in tomato sauce in a different style accompanied with some pan-fried chicken. Let's proceed with boiling our instant noodle first. We'll add some salt and some oil in our boiling water. The oil is important to prevent our noodle from becoming sticky after draining the noodles. Now in a wok, pour around 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 diced onion, some fresh thyme and parsley, with 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And now we'll sprinkle some turmeric powder. We'll give a quick mix, then add 2 chopped tomatoes. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, some sesame oil to give a punch of rich flavors to our recipe. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, half cup of water, and let it simmer until our sauce is completely cooked. Now we'll add around 30 grams of corn kernel and our noodles, greens, peas, and mix well. You may garnish with some grated cheese. And voila, our noodles is completely done. Now for the chicken recipe. Slice the chicken flatly, depends on the size you want, and marinate it with 1 teaspoon of butter, half cup of yogurt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon of oil, and squeeze some lemon juice. We'll let it marinate for at least 1 hour or more. Now for the seasoning breading mixture. Combine half cup of flour, 80 gram of regular breadcrumbs, 80 gram of golden breadcrumbs, 1/8 cup of corn flour, some pepper, paprika powder, and salt. Now in a pan, we'll be using around 1 cup of oil for frying. Take 1 piece of our chicken and coat well in the mixture and let it fry around 5 minutes each side. And here you are with our final fusion of this recipe. Hope you have enjoyed my videos. Keep liking and subscribe.